Okay, so if you're into PCP air rifles, paintball, or really any hobby that depends on high-pressure air, you already know the struggle. It can feel like this constant quest just to get a reliable, clean source of air. But what if there was a much, much better way?
I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? That sheer physical effort of manually pumping, the time it just eats up. Honestly, it's the one part of the hobby that we could all live without. It's the chore that's literally standing between you and actually having fun. But, the problem is way bigger than just getting a workout you didn't ask for. You're also juggling the risk of getting contaminated air from a shop's compressor, the absolute inconvenience of having to drive to a fill station, and of course, those hidden costs that just keep adding up. Each one of these is a major headache for any serious enthusiast. And the consequences of these problems? They are very, very real. Contaminated air, full of moisture and oil particles, can cause some serious internal damage to your expensive gear. And at the same time, those inconvenient fill options, they just mean less time doing what you actually love. It's a total lose-lose situation. So what's the alternative here? Just imagine a world where that entire struggle just vanishes. A world where getting all the air you need is as simple as flipping a switch right there in your own home or garage. And that right there is where the NUOGE compressor enters the picture. It's designed to solve these exact problems by delivering on two crucial things: raw power and absolute purity. So let's kick things off and look at the power. 4,500 PSI. That is a big number. But what does it actually mean for you? Well, it means speed, it means efficiency, it means a whole lot less time waiting around for a fill, and more time getting back to your passion.
But look, power is only half the equation here. Purity is just as critical, maybe even more so. The NUOGE's oil and water-free operation, that's not just a cool feature, it's an absolute necessity. Think of it as your first and best line of defense against all those nasty contaminants.
This right here really shows you what's at stake. On one side, you've got all the risks of contaminated air, corrosion, frustrating blockages, and inconsistent performance. But on the other side, you get the benefits of the NUOGE's pure air, protected internal components, a longer life for your equipment, and reliable, consistent operation every single time. The choice is pretty clear, right?
And to make absolutely sure that air is pure, the NUOGE also has an advanced filter system. This is like a powerful second line of defense, literally scrubbing the air to guarantee that only the cleanest, driest air ever makes it into your tank. All right, so we've seen how the NUOGE delivers on power and purity. Now, let's talk about how it brings all those benefits to you, wherever and whenever you need them. This is all about versatility and convenience. This compressor was truly designed for the real world. With its dual voltage compatibility, you can use it at home or even take it with you when you travel. It's also engineered to handle a variety of tanks, including submersible bottles. It's built to fit into your life, not the other way around. So, when you put it all together, the power, the purity, the sheer convenience, what's the ultimate payoff? Why does an investment like this really matter in the long run? Your return on this investment really breaks down into three key areas. First, you gain the unbelievable convenience of filling on your own schedule. Second, you save actual money over time. Seriously, if a commercial fill costs $5 or $10, think about how quickly this thing pays for itself. And third, you protect your valuable gear by feeding it the clean air it needs to perform at its peak. It's a win-win-win. And that really brings us to the big takeaway. This isn't just a piece of hardware. It's a complete solution. It's all about giving you the freedom to enjoy your hobby without any compromises, delivering that clean, high-pressure air exactly when and where you need it. So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with a question to think about. When you consider the time, the effort, the cost, and the potential risk that comes with your current air source, is it really helping you enjoy your hobby to the fullest? Or is it just holding you back? Something to think about.